All right. Welcome back, everyone. This is Fenris here for Great Wolf Games. Um, Quite the content blast today. I was uploading, as you now see, the parts of my series back uploaded. Well, the first two parts and an additional part, which I was planning on releasing on Friday on the other channel, Fenris. But I could not get it to work. The internet has been slow lately, and um, I was finally able to get it to work. So I was finally able to get it to work. So what I wanted to do today was showcase. Let me adjust my speaking right here.
YouTube.
Hey,
Voices.
guys, can
Toggle
you
live
hear me?
regions and announce headings.
Today I wanted to do a quick how-to demo of how to save slash import your progress. And I know I heard some people asking about it, how to do it, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. Because it's fairly straightforward, it's fairly easy. You can just save your progress so you don't lose progress. You can transfer from iPhone to Android, from Android to Windows, from Windows to Mac, from Mac to iPhone, whatever you guys want to do. It don't matter to me as long as you can play your characters. So I'm going to show you how to export your progress, and then I'm going to show you how to import it as well, because I've seen some people wondering about that. So I figured while it's on my mind, I could film just a quick little video here for you guys. Shout out to everyone who is subscribed to uh, Great Wolf Games already. It's much appreciated if you like the work that I'm doing here. I'm just a solo developer trying to make accessible games for all blind people to play, and obviously sighted uh, folks can obviously play as well, but blind people, your accessibility is going to be baked in from the start, and that's with all of our titles coming down the pipe or down the line. Wolfspire is obviously 100% accessible. There's not a single part of the game that you cannot play as a blind or visually impaired person. And if for some reason you can't, let me know and I'll be happy to patch it. And I can definitely help fix it, especially for some of you with lower vision. Maybe something's too small. Just let me know. Let me know because the only way this game improves is with your feedback. And I can't I mean, I can make changes all day long, but it's you guys, the community, that helps me. And, I wouldn't be anywhere without you guys. So I really appreciate all of your support. I can create the game, but there's nothing like having a community of people behind you. So I really appreciate all of you guys who are in the Discord right now, on the Facebook page, um, subscribing to the YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. But without further ado, I'm gonna quit uh, yip yapping and jaw jacking here, and I'm gonna get to this.
Selected. Screen recording.
Okay, I'm gonna
Wolfspire.
pop
Wolfspire.
open my Wolfspire here for it to load. Okay, so from
Wolfspire.
the
Heading level
title
1 Wolfspire.
screen, all right, it's loaded.
Export save data about Wolfspire. Button.
right from the jump, right from the start, you can export or import your save. I'll show you guys how to do this. Well, I guess I could show it twice, I suppose. Um, so yeah, let's get started.
Export save data to a file.
So
Button.
I'm going to export my data. Now, your data is saved to what is called a JSON file, a JSON file. And that's just the extension of the file name. It just has all of your characters' data is what it has, and the levels and the dungeon data and inventory, and it stores all that in this little file that you can then upload to your cloud storage or your HDD, SD, SSD. You can upload it onto your Mac and back it up there. You can put it in iCloud Drive if you're on there. If you're on Android, you can use Google Drive or Dropbox, or if you use Microsoft OneDrive, you can use that as well. You can use all of those on iOS as well, but pCloud, which is what I use to save all my stuff. So I'm going to hit this export,
Export save data to a file.
and then
Button.
I will go ahead and import this for
Close.
you guys. All right. So uh, get a hold of, or I should say, um, if you're in a Safari, and I'm showing this from an iOS perspective, um, so for all you Android people out there, I'm not quite sure how you would do this, but it's basically the same process. You have to just upload it wherever. So in a Safari, when I click export save data to a file, what it does is it opens up this little page.
Wolf Son dash 2 Wolf Wolf address. Wolfspire save dash 2026 0608. Son.
That that is my save. That's Wolfspire 2026 whatever blah 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 08 .json, and then it will tell you.
Son dash 213 KB.
So mine's getting up there. It's about 200 kilobytes. It's not a huge deal.
Open a mega. Button.
Now, your option will probably be different what it's going to recommend you do. And then you obviously have a
More. Button.
more, which is what we'll hit here in a second. Um, so yeah, it opens up this little thing. If you want to open it in the suggested app that it's telling you to do it in, you can. Um, it's up to you, but you can upload this wherever. pCloud, iCloud Drive, Google Drive, uh, Ega. There's so many, Dropbox, whatever. So let's go ahead and hit more.
Open a mega. More. Button. Work and copy. Cloud. Devon. Cloud. Button.
Okay.
Work and copy. Button.
Now I'm going to hit
Cloud. Button.
pCloud. I'm going to show you how to
Cloud.
save it.
Text field. Is editing. Wolfspire save dash 2026 06.
Now, this is not going to be the same for you as it's going to be for me, because I use an app called pCloud. And what it is, it's basically, in layman's terms, it's basically Dropbox, but it's a different company that makes it. You can upload your files, store stuff. It doesn't have a lot of the collaborative features as Dropbox does, but that's okay. I don't need a collaborative access on a save file. So I'm going to save this
Save to
in
cloud.
a folder that I actually have.
Save to cloud.
Hit
Select
save to
where to place the file.
pCloud. It says pCloud. pCloud. It's pCloud.
Music. Folder. Great Wolf Codec Game Saves.
I'm
Folder.
gonna put this in my game saves
Grim
folder,
Series Backups. Folder.
and
Wolfspire saved
there's
5
some
items.
stuff in here, and I'm gonna hit.
Wolfspire save dash 2026 06 06
That's
2.
an old save. I'll delete that one. But
Place
I'm
here.
gonna
Button.
go right to the bottom and hit place here.
Place here. Back button.
Let it do its thing,
Uploading one file. Progress. 100%.
and you can look at its progress as you go.
Upload. Progress. Progress. 105 items.
There.
One file uploaded.
There we go. Now it's there. Now
Wolf. 6 items.
you
Wolfspire save dash
see
2026 06 08. Son. File.
your JSON
Actions
files
available.
right there. I'll show you how to save it to the Files app too for you iPhone users as well. But your process is basically the same. Just hit more and then select your app from the iOS share sheet, or for you Android people, you can uh, do it your way, however you choose to do it.
Wolfspire save.
You just need to save a file somewhere. It's not hard. Um, Obviously, if you're new to it, it can seem like, oh my gosh, I need to save this JSON. No, it's it's fairly simplistic once you get the hang of it. And I'll showcase it again.
Wolfspire save dash
But I am
2026
actually going
06
to
06. Delete.
delete this one.
Alert. Delete.
This
Delete.
is in
Button.
pcloud here because I
Delete.
don't need
Deleting
this
files. Button.
file here.
Wolfspire save dash 25 items.
And
Wolfspire save dash 2026 06
I made
08.
a lot of
Son. File.
progress with Wolfspire, and I'm gonna
Actions available. Wolfspire save dash app cloud.
I'm
Wolfspire
gonna
cloud.
quit out of
Active. Home.
pcloud. I don't
App
need it
switcher.
anymore.
Wolfspire. Active. Wolfspire.
Now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna export it
Address.
again,
GritWolfcoms.com.
but I'm gonna save it to the Files app itself.
Wolfspire save dash. Open in Mega. More.
So the same
Button.
process. Here
Close.
we
Work and
go.
copy. New quick note. Save the files. Button.
It's at the kind of the more bottom of this share sheet here.
Browse.
Click Save to
Back button.
Files.
Search. Search field. Index. Audio. Search. Fenris 80. Search. Fenris 80. Fenris 82. GitHub. EO. Browse. Dismiss context. Fenris 82. Dismiss context. Browse. Button.
Get out of that.
Browse. Cancel. Button. Recently used.
It's just my GitHub repository. It's nothing special. Just houses my HTML files and the sound effects, or the music files rather. It will have sound effects eventually. It will. I promise. I know a lot of people have been saying, "Hey, where are the sounds?" They're coming. I promise.
Wolfspire. Button. Actions available. Great Wolf. Fenris 82. Great Wolf Games. Button.
We'll save it in here.
Actions
This is
available.
kind of just a
iCloud Drive. Back button.
smorgasbord of stuff I have in here. Not a lot of it I don't need.
Wolfspire 0. Wolfspire gameplay. Wolfspire Part 2.
Oh, that was
5
my.
page 2 of 2.
Okay, those were my YouTube QuickTime stuff.
Wolfspire save dash. Wolfspire save dash 2026.
You can of course edit the name
field.
of it, which I'm not going to
Save.
do.
Button.
I'll just hit save,
Close. Button.
and it will begin uploading.
Wolf.
Oh, it's gone now.
Address.
All right.
Wolf close.
I'm going to hit
Button.
close in the top left.
Wolfspire. Heading level 1 Wolfspire title screen.
Now,
Main landmark.
what if you are playing on another a device, like an iPad or a Mac or a Windows PC or an Android or whatever you use, and you're thinking, Fenris, how do I get my progress over? Because I obviously can't. My progress does not sync between my devices. It does not. However, using that exported JSON file, you can import your progress on any device, your phone, your tablet, your other tablet, your PC, your Mac, whatever. So that is how you save your progress, but you need to export it at some point. So if you play on your iPad, you're going to need to remember, if I want to save all this progress, to save the file. You just have to save manually. It's not ideal, but it's the second best thing to cloud saves. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to import your files now.
Export save data to a file. Import save data from a file. Button.
I'm gonna hit import,
Browse. Back button.
and the iOS
Loud. Back
file
button.
manager,
Asmr save dash 20. Prim series backups.
excuse me, has just been auto-loaded right in. Normally, you might have to go dig into your iCloud Drive or on my wherever it might be. And of course, for you Android people, it's not going to show this uh, file chooser, but because I'm on iOS, it's going to.
Wolfspire save dash 2026
So I know
06
where my
08.
save
Sean.
is.
JSON file uploaded 201 PM 218 KB.
My save is
Actions
right
available.
there. So I'm going to click on this.
Wolfspire save dash 2026 06 08. More. Button. Sir.
You have to hit open or select.
Oh.
Oh, no, there it goes. You're going to
Import the
get an
save.
alert.
Import the save. Your current save date on this device will be replaced. Cancel. Button.
And I'm actually going to hit OK. So you're going to have
Okay.
a dialog.
Button. Cancel.
That's going to
Button.
ask you, are you sure you want to import this data? And it is permanent, cannot be undone. So you have to really be sure that this is the save that you want. If it's not, you can always hit cancel and keep your progress wherever. It's up to you. But if you want to overwrite it, go ahead and hit OK,
Okay.
which I will go
Button.
ahead and do right now.
About Wolfspire. Save data imported. Reloading the game.
And it's going to reload the game
Play for
for
fun.
me.
Small gold prizes. No penalties. Find all
Oh,
matching pairs. Settings. About Wolfspire.
there
Button.
we go. That was weird.
Wolfspire. Heading
Okay,
level 1. Join the group at wolfcoms.com. End.
cool.
Wolfspire title screen.
So
Main.
that is how you import and export your Wolfspire save data, and it's likely going to work the same with my other games as well down the line. So you're going to you'll have to get used to this way of saving it. It's not the most convenient, but it works, and it's a good way to transfer your progress between devices. It's not quite as plug and play, but you can import it fairly easy. And again, a lot of you probably might not even care about this, which is totally cool because you might be on a device. Oh, also that will help with browsers because the it saves to your browser. So if you wanted to play in Firefox or Brave or Opera or any of those other browsers, you could. You just have to import your data. So I could go in. Matter of fact, let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and do that. Let me
Home.
find.
DuckDuckGo. Recently updated.
Yeah, let's go ahead and use the.
Page 2 of
Where's
2.
my
Firefox. Recently
Firefox?
updated.
There it is.
Text field.
There's my
Share this page.
Firefox.
Button.
It might open up Great Wolf Games already.
Play Wolfspire.
Yep,
Button.
it did because I had it open. Normally, you'd have to type it in greatwolfgames.com/Wolfspire. It wouldn't just load up like this, but I'm going to import
Export save data. Import save data
my
from a file.
save data
Button.
here.
Browse. Back button. Wolfspire save dash 2026 06 08. Sean. JSON
Tap
file
on it
201 PM. 2
again.
alert. https://wolfcoms.com. Import the save. Your https import the
And it
save.
tells you
Your
the
current save date on this.
website
Okay.
that it's
Button.
trying
Cancel.
to.
Import the save. Your current save date on this. Okay.
I'm going to hit
Button.
OK.
Play Wolfspire. Button. Save data imported. Share this page. Button.
It's going to reload the game for me.
Play Wolfspire.
I'm
Reload
going
page. Button.
to reload the page just to be
Share this
safe
page. Button.
on Firefox.
Play Wolfspire.
I'm
Button.
going to hit play.
Play Wolfspire. Character select. 8 characters.
As you
Choose
can
one or create new.
see,
Your characters. Phoenix. Level 30. Fenris. Level 45.
all
Tap
my
to play.
characters are
Button.
here.
Fenris. Level 45. Tap to Fenric. Level
You can
36. Tap
see
Geminus. Level 36. Create a new character. Button.
all my cool characters are here.
Back to title screen. Button. Back to
There
title
you
screen.
go. So I just even showed you how to import it on another browser as well. It's literally the same process. So
Settings. Button. Character select. Fire apps with Firefox. Active.
When I
Home.
get out of
App switcher.
this.
Wolfspire. Wolfspire. Act closing web. Ever
Ladies and
music.
gentlemen,
Fire
that's
shopping
it.
folder. Free apps.
That is
Home. Page 1 of 2.
the
Wolf working copy.
that is
Wolfspire.
that's it. That's how you do it. Pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Um, I'm happy to answer any questions. Obviously, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to holler, and I will respond as soon as I can. Um, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been
2:15 p.m. Control
Fenris
slow power
here
mode. Selected. Screen recording. Button.
for Great
Actions
Wolf
available.
Games. I want to thank everyone for the support lately. I'm very humbled by a lot of your support. It really means the world. I'm very humbled that a lot of you chose to stick around and support me. It really means it means the world. Um, and I really appreciate every every ounce of feedback that I've gotten, positive or a constructive. I take it all in, and yes, rest assured, I may not implement what you suggest, but I'm taking it into careful consideration, absolutely. And I appreciate all feedback, uh, good or constructive. I'm always open to ideas and suggestions. So please don't feel like your feedback does not matter. It does. I've kind of felt like that as a blind gamer. I kind of felt like, oh, what's my feedback? It don't matter. So no, in this case, it matters because your feedback helps keep the game running, and it keeps it keeps it healthy. It keeps me in check to go, hey, maybe this needs to be tweaked, or maybe we need to change whatever, or hey, maybe this is not really where I want it to go, or whatever. But every every bit of feedback helps, and I really appreciate all of your guys' support. So thank you, thank you, thank you again. It means the world. This is Fenris for Great Wolf Games signing off, and we will see you next time.